Hello and welcome to this first lecture of this new section of overview on AI for CRM excellence, customer relationship management excellence. So in this section, we will give you an overview of how can you use AI's help for excellence in customer relationship management. And in this particular lecture, we will talk about how can AI help you build excellence in customer relationship management. So, how do you think? How can AI help build excellence in customer relationship management? Any thoughts on that? See, AI can significantly enhance customer relationship management by driving excellence across each stage of the customer life cycle, as you see here, right from approach to engagement to conversion to retention to loyalty. Now, how does AI specifically contribute to building excellence in CRM? Let us take a look at as we go forward. So, first thing it does is it helps you build personalized customer experiences. AI, analyzes behaviors and demographics of the customers to tailor offers and specific messages by doing this AI-driven segmentation. It suggests products and services based on the previous interactions and preferences using recommendation engines. And then it does the adaptation of the emails, web pages, and chat interfaces in real time using dynamic content delivery. An example of this would be Netflix and Amazon use AI to personalize content and product recommendation, increasing user engagement and satisfaction. So that's the first way AI can help build excellence in customer relationship management. Another way AI can do that is through proactive customer engagement, in which there are a few things. First, it can use predictive analytics to anticipate customer needs, behaviors, and potential churn, customer churn. Then it can, guide the sales and support agents with the most effective action, what is called the next best action suggestions. So that's what it can do. And then it can also do the automated follow-ups using, which uses AI to identify the right timing and message for re-engagement. So timely follow-up, automated follow-up is another thing that AI can help you do. The third action that AI can help you do is for excellence in customer relationship management is AI powered customer support. Now, there are a couple of things that AI can do. One is chatbots and virtual assistants, using which it can handle common queries instantly 24/7. Also, it can detect customer moods using sentiment analysis to prioritize and escalate issues. And third, it can do is enable more human-like and context-aware interactions using conversational AI. So these are few things that AI can do using AI-powered customer support. Fourth thing the AI helps is in sales and marketing intelligence. The first one that comes to our mind here is lead scoring. Using AI can identify the high potential prospects using machine learning, using this lead scoring methods. Then it can analyze past performance to improve email ad or content marketing strategies using the campaign optimization. Then it can do the customer journey mapping to visualize and optimize the buyer's journey using AI-driven insights. So it can gather such sales and marketing intelligence for you to excellent customer relationship management. The fifth thing it can do is CRM process automation, and it can do through data entry automation, where it can eliminate manual logging and ensure up-to-date records. It can do workflow orchestration, where it can trigger follow-ups, alerts, and tasks based on AI-defined rules. And it can document and do the email analysis, where it can automatically categorize, tag, and extract key information from the documents and the emails. So that's the fifth thing AI can help you do. Then it helps in customer retention and loyalty through churn prediction. It identifies at-risk customers using historical pattern. It measures and acts on loyalty indicators to design retention strategies, and it uses the feedback analysis to process surveys and reviews to extract actionable insights. So these are few ways it helps in customer loyalty and retention. Also, it's very useful for AI is extremely useful for real-time decision support. AI co-pilots for CRM tools is one thing. Microsoft Copilot and Salesforce Einstein help users make better decisions by summarizing data, suggesting action, and even composing emails and responses. And it can use dashboards with predictive KPIs to provide forward-looking insights on customer satisfaction, revenue potential, and much more. So that's how AI can provide you the real-time decision support for CRM excellence. So what can we conclude about AI helping build excellence in customer relationship management? One thing that stands out is that AI doesn't replace human relationship. It augments and elevates them. And it does so by automating routine tasks, you know, uncovering insights and enabling proactive engagement. And this helps AI make CRM systems smarter, faster, and more customer centric. So that's what we can conclude in this first lecture. So in the next lecture, let's take a look at a few case studies. Starting with the next lecture, let's look at three case studies of AI help build excellence in customer relationship management. And these are the top of the line use cases that you will see as you go along. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture and overview of AI for CRM excellence. I hope you can beginning to learn a lot of new things, beginning to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.